Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and pairing. Do it now. Attach Joy-Con to the console rail or plug the Pro controller via USB so the switch detects it. Once done, go to System Settings, choose Controllers and Sensors, then change Grip/Order to register inputs. This step ensures button mapping and gyro calibration load correctly. It prevents drift and input lag. Make sure the console is awake, Bluetooth is enabled, and other wireless controllers are off to avoid interference before moving to calibration. Now calibrate and map controls so gameplay feels right. You'll run stick and motion calibration from the controller's menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to center axes and test full ranges. Next, remap buttons in either system support options or the game's accessibility menu to avoid awkward combos. Also, tweak gyro sensitivity and vibration strength. Lower vibration saves battery, higher gyro gives finer aim. These steps reduce unexpected inputs and tailor the controller to your playstyle for consistent performance. Finish by optimizing wireless use and knowing one solid troubleshooting move. You should pair using the controller's pairing button. Hold it for 3 seconds. Then install any firmware updates shown in System Settings to fix bugs. For persistent issues, unpair, reboot the switch, and pair again. For Joy-Con drift or Pro controller disconnects, reseat, replace batteries, or update firmware. If problems persist, try a wired USB connection to isolate wireless interference. This reveals whether the controller or the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.